Tired of project chaos? Let's tame it by logging into Basecamp, your hub for organized teamwork. First, navigate to the Basecamp website or open your Basecamp app. You'll see the login screen like the one displayed here. Simply enter the email address you used when you registered for your Basecamp account into the email address field. Next, carefully type your password into the password field. Double-check for any typos or accidental caps lock before proceeding. Accuracy is key here. If you can't recall your password, don't worry. Click on the Forgot Your Password link located just below the password field. This will send a password reset link to your registered email address. Check your email inbox for the password reset email from Basecamp and follow the instructions provided in the email to create a new, secure password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, Basecamp will prompt you for a code from your Authenticator app. After entering your password, open your Authenticator app on your phone or device and enter the provided code into the two-factor code field. Once you've entered your credentials and two-factor code, if applicable, click the Login button. You'll be taken to your Basecamp dashboard where you can access your projects, teams, and all the communication happening within your organization. If you encounter any persistent problems logging in, Basecamp's help resources are just a click away. You'll find detailed troubleshooting steps and facts there. Now, get in there and start collaborating.